Hi guys, my name's Gia and today I'm going to show you how to use your EHM pH test kit. So here I have our EHM water pitcher, which I'm going to go ahead and pour in this cup. Just 2 teaspoons is the amount. And then here I'm going to pour the pure water, which is bottled. And then all we have to do next is just take out our test kit. And you're going to put 2 to 3 drops of the pH test kit into each glass of water. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we have our alkaline water on this side and then our pure water on this side. As you can see, the alkaline is obviously more on the blue side and pure water is more on the yellow side. And if we go ahead and take our pH test kit box, you can see the colors ranging from red being acidic and then dark blue being alkaline. So if we're comparing colors, we see that the alkaline water is about an 8 to a 9 pH, and then the pure water over here is about a 6 to a 7 pH. And in just 3 simple steps, you're done and you're ready to drink your alkaline water.